Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the anti-theft system Perekhvat. I bought this device quite recently and learned how to use it in a couple of days. In fact, the device is very easy to install. We take the lock and install it, the key is not required. That's it, ready. As you can see, the installation is quick and easy. Removing the device is also quite simple. For this you will need the key. Take the key and remove the device. I'm used to it and I do this without looking to the touch. As you can see, using the device is really easy and it takes a few seconds. Therefore, install the Perekhvat even if you leave the car only for 5 seconds and your car will always be under reliable protection. Bye everyone!